Hello everyone, I'm Anija Chingan. I'm your tutor for this course. I am very excited to share a new topic with you, that is conditional statements in Python. Yesterday you have learned about the basic operators in the Python, and I have also released a one new video yesterday. I'm very curious and excited to share with you. If you, I would say you have already decided to transit your career in AI. That's why you are here with me. So yesterday I have released a one more video that is a complete roadmap of AI in for 2025. If you watch that video, it will be very beneficial for you because I have shared my more than 8 years experience in that video. I have shared the tips and tricks, okay, how you can achieve your goal. And believe me, if you will follow the exact path, nobody can stop you to get the job in AI. Okay, so please watch that video and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new today and you are watching my video first time. Don't forget to watch the previous videos as well. Okay, so you can learn the Python in a correct way. So did you open the your editor? Are you ready to type the code? Okay, so let's start. So what is the first very important thing I'm sharing from my first video? You need, if you remember, then type in the comment box. And if you don't remember, then you need to type your this title name professionally. So today I am going to teach you the conditional statement. So I have written the conditional statement as a title. And then write a program heading what you are going to do today. So using the for the conditional statement, I'm going to take an example of student marks. And then I am saying if these are the marks, then you can do this. Okay. So first of all, I will give you the layman definition of the conditional statement. For example, if your parents are asking you to go to the market, bring a red color apple only, right? So this means they are putting a condition on you, right? They are saying if you got a red color apples, then only buy the apples. So this is called conditional statement in Python. So it's very easy. And number two, these statements is widely used, oftenly used in either you are going in the development line, either you are going in the AI. Okay. So this is very useful statements, conditional statements. Okay. So now let's start. Here we go. I will declare a one variable here, marks is equals to input, enter your marks. Okay. So now if you remember yesterday, you have learned this input method. So what does it do? Write down in the comment if you remember. Remember? Okay. So this is you take the input from the user. Okay. So this is like when it takes the input, it does not convert it into float or int automatically. You need to do the typecasting. Either you can do the typecasting after the user is entering the value, or you can do it right now as well. Okay. So I am going to do it here only. Okay. So I don't need to use again to typecast into integer. Okay. After that, I will start writing the conditional statement. Okay. So we will start with if. If is the keyword used for conditional block. If marks is greater than equal to 90, then close it. So we close it using the colon. Okay. If condition, then close. Okay. So here you need to take care of one thing. This one, conditional operator. So yesterday you have done the basic operators of mathematics that were not your conditional operators. These called in Python conditional operator. This can be greater than equal to, not equal to, less than equal to, and there are other conditional statement as well. I will share a link with you and you can like look at the other conditional statements as well. Okay, and you can try and you can do the practice using those conditional statements as well. Okay, so now if marks are these, we will say to students, print, congratulations, you are eligible for AI interview. Okay, so here we go. So this is the conditional statement. If you got the equal to 90 or 90 marks, then only you can give the AI interview. Okay. So this means when user is entering the marks greater than or equal to 90, this will show this message. Okay. So first, the second most important thing in Python is indentation. Okay. I want to focus on this and want to tell you here, this is called indentation. So if you write the if statement starting from this point, your next statement will come under this. Either you can use the space to space or you can use the tab. I will not recommend the space. Always use the tab button. Just keep the one tab and write the condition. Python don't like non-indented content. It will throw you the error immediately. Indentation is the most important part of Python. Okay. And now, first we will run this portion only. Okay. So here we will go. We will now enter. I will enter first 90. Congratulations, you are eligible for your interview. Okay, so now what will happen if any student's marks is not equal to 80, right? No message. Do you think it looks professional? Like if you are doing the online shopping, you are entering something and website show you no result blank, right? What we say, what kind of website is this? It is not showing me anything. We just get upset if either we stuck in the payment portion, right? It happened. You got frustrated and you start complaining to the customer support and so on. So think in that point of view. When you are writing a program, you need to think about the front end user as well, how they feel if they got this thing. Okay, so you need to put up proper conditional statements. Okay, and validations. We will talk about the like these things, validations as well, but in the upcoming videos. Okay, so now here we need to put else. Okay, again we will close it with the colon and print. Sorry, you are not eligible for AI interview. Try next time. Try again. Good luck. Okay. Now you enter 80. See, right? So the user can understand it. It should not be blank. This is called conditional statements. So you are putting the one condition here and then you are also entering if user is not enough marks and it also show the message to them what happened, right? Now this is only the one condition. Okay, maybe you have a like on other conditional, like if students have less than 90, what they can do, right? Are they eligible for any other interview? Like let's say maybe for any other job, or we can you want to suggest them some other departments as well, right? Or either you want to say like anything, right? So we can use the second statement with the elif. Okay, So whenever in other languages you used to write else if, but we call it else if, but whenever you are writing else if in Python, you need to spell it ELIF. Okay, and just look at this, all like the statements, these are in a green color. Okay, so this means they are inbuilt. 90 integer is not inbuilt. This is just we have written, but this is inbuilt. Print elif and this one. Okay, you can't make it elif 1, 2, 3. It will always be else if. When we are writing it, it need to be spelled ELIF. Okay, and now we can put condition here. Let's say if marks greater than, or sorry, less than equal to 80, right? So we will say print please please contact to HR for other opportunities, right? So this means if a student have the marks, right, less than or equal to 80. Now you may be thinking, then what is the use of the last default statement, right? So there is a one more thing you can do here. If you want, put some specific condition, like if the marks are between, let's say, 70 to 80, 60 to 80, right? So the student get this message, please contact to HR for other opportunities. So you can do like this way. elif marks less than equal to this one, or marks greater than equal to 60. Okay. So this means we are putting this condition. So whenever, if you enter the marks, like here, we can use it here, and otherwise it will clear that thing, right? So marks less than equal to 80 means 60, 70, 10, 20. It will happen in that case. It will say you just please contact, but the company don't want the students below 60 marks. So we will put a condition, else if marks is less than equal to 8 and marks is greater than equal to 60. This means it is going to check both conditions. If both conditions are true, then only it will show you this is execute this statement. If one of the condition gets wrong, like a false, it is not going to show this message. It is going to show this message to the student. Okay, I will explain it again. So let's run first. It will help you to understand more. So we need to give a here this. Oh, sorry, we forgot to enter the column. So now we will enter first here 50. So first, you're at the back end, it will check this condition. This condition is going to be false. So it will not print this one. Okay. After that, it will come here. It will check if marks is less than equal to 80. This is going to be true, right? And then it will check the another condition as well. So this means the marks should be between 60 or 80. It should not be less than that. So we will run. Okay. So it print, oh, sorry, it is still running. Okay. So it should print this message. Okay. So I think it is hanging up in between. So I will rerun this program. So we will say 50 and then this. See? So this means this condition got false, right? So whenever you are using in the conditional statement and means both conditions should be true. Okay. And if I put or here, like this. So what will happen? See, we will enter 50 and what happened? Please contact to HR for other conditions. So this means this only like check this condition. So it get true, right? Your like the interpreter did not like exit check this condition after this, because I said either this condition should be like true or this. If one of the condition is true, it must print this statement. So this is wrong because company don't want to take the students whose marks are less than 60. Okay. So if you want to fulfill the both condition in a one statement, you can use these operators or and, XOR. There are more operators as well. I will share a link with all of you so you can look at the other operators as well and do practice at least one or two times with all of the conditional statements. Okay. So here we will change it again with the AND operator. Okay. There are other ways as well. Okay. To write this piece of line of code. Okay. So you can try everything if your conditional statements are working fine, right? So there are other shortcuts as well to write this statement. Okay. But I am teaching you from the scratch, the basics. So you should understand the logic. Okay. So now we will enter here now 60. So let's see what it will do. It's true, right? Because we have put the condition here greater than is equals to 60, right? Now think about the other way as well. If your company is going to like saying maximum like the marks are 100, right? If some students are like entering 110, 120, sometimes it happen that typing mistake, right? So what will happen in that case? It will make a true condition this one, which is not possible, right? Because up to 100 marks are only the condition for the companies and for your program as well. So if user is entering above 100 marks, you should show them the message, input the correct value. So you need to add that statement as well. So what logic you will put here, what conditional statement you will put here, okay, we will write here. Now you have written the three conditional statement. First this one, second, third. I'm going to write the next statement as well. Elif, right? Marks is greater than 100, right? So we will put simple this condition, right? So it should show the message print, please input correct marks. Okay, very, very important thing. The sequence you are writing the conditional statement, it should be correct. If I will write this conditional statement at the second number, what will happen? At a first condition, it will get true. It will never go to the second condition. Okay. So here we should write this statement at the first place. So we are just checking the correct input. This should be your first thumb rule. Okay. So what we will do, we will cut this one and write this statement here. And we will, here we go. Okay. I'm teaching you in this way so you can understand what kind of like small like the errors we do when we are writing the conditional statement. It happened with the every new like the programmer. Okay. Sometimes many things come up conditional statement later in your mind and you forgot to set the sequence. Okay. So this is the way you need to understand the sequence. So my recommendation to all of you, if you are a beginner in the coding, right, you have never done the coding in your previous experience. So take a pen and copy, write down the all like the statements, what you want to do with the program, what kind of input you want, what will be the output, what are the conditional statements in English or in any language in your copy. Make a one flow chart, okay, and then start writing the code. It is very, very useful, believe me. Okay, so this is now we will test this statement as well. So we will run it. Now I will enter 1 right? So this is, you can check with the other input methods as well. If you want to update with the other conditional statements, you can play around with it. Okay. So again, I would repeat, this is the most widely used statements in AI when you are start writing the machine learning algorithms. Even sometimes it is used in visualization. So do practice. Okay. Now it's a time of homework. I would like to give you. I have copy and paste the homework for you. Okay. So this is, I will cut and paste it here. Here we go. Okay. So here you need to write down the program and take the input from the user. If the number is positive, check if it is a even or odd and display the result. So when the user is entering the number, you need to tell, is it odd or even? Okay. And then if the number is negative, then check if it is divisible by 5 or display the result. Okay. So these conditions I have written. So do this program, share a notebook with me. You can contact me at contact@sciencedatascience.com, and I will share this notebook with all of you in the description box with the link. And this was all about for today's video. I hope you like it. And if you need any help, feel free to contact us. And happy learning, happy AI, happy data science, and see you in the next video. But if you are a new user coming first time to watch my video, come first time to watch my video, so don't forget to click on the bell icon, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.